Welcome back to class. Today you're going to be working in Fieldscope on your case study area. The first thing you'll need to do is log back into Fieldscope. The address is wd2.fieldscope.us. Go ahead and log back in. Once you get there, remember that in the bottom right corner you need to log into your page. So you'll click on Login there, type in your username, first initial of your first name, first initial of your last name, the last three numbers on your ID number, and your password, which is your ID number. If you have trouble remembering either of those, your sub has a copy of your username and password and can help you get logged in. Once you're logged in, you want to search for your case study location by clicking on Search. Type in the name of the location. Here I'm picking to search for Elsa, Illinois. And then once it pops up, you can double click on your location and that will fly you to your location. Simply click on the double arrow points to close that so you have a full map area on your screen. Remember that you're going to use a combination of your blue packet, which has the lab printed out in it starting on page 44, and your lab journal. You're going to enter all your answers into the lab journal page on the screen. To access the lab journal, simply click on the lab journal tab, and there it is. You can scroll through the entire activity here. It's easier, I think, though, to work from your blue packet in terms of reading the instructions of what you're supposed to do and reading the questions so that you can process information from your map view. You'll start by entering information or answers to question number 1 at the top of your lab journal, and then work through the next section, answer question 2, drop in a screenshot of your case study area. To do that, return to the map view, click on Take Screenshot. A box will open. The area that's highlighted in your box is the only area that will show in your screenshot. You can move that box around. Here I'm moving it to show the confluence of the Illinois and Mississippi rivers around Elsa, just north of St. Louis. You can resize the box as needed. Then to save it, click Take Screenshot, give it a name, and click Save. When you return to your lab journal, you'll find that the screenshot is saved there. You can simply click it and drag it into your lab journal entry. Once you have entered your case study area, move through question 4, where is your study site? In this case, I'm going to type in Elsa, Illinois, and down into question 5, looking for the sub-basin. In order to identify the sub-basin, follow the instructions in your lab manual. Click on the query point and find a point to ask a question about. That will enter the location details and it tells me the name of the river. If I click on a land area, it will give me more details regarding that location. You may have to wait a couple seconds for it to load up. As you're working through your lab journal today, I would like you to try to get through question number 18. It's on page 50 in your blue packet. And remember that all of your answers are entered online into your lab journal. The most important thing at the end of the morning is to go back and save, and you might actually want to do that a couple of times throughout class today. So in the bottom right-hand corner, save all of your information in your lab journal. That way I can access it after class and take a look at how you're doing. Please make sure that you get through that work today. As you're working through it, if you have any questions, the first person to ask for help is your partner. You both have your blue lab books. Take a look back a few steps and see if you missed a step in the exercise. Perhaps your sub would be able to help you. If there's a group around you that's a little bit further than you, maybe you can get them to give you a little bit of help. If you really have a question you're kind of stumped on, go ahead and email me. I should have some email access this morning, so I'll try to be watching during class for emails from you so that I can help you as much as I can. I hope you have a great class today. Get a lot of work done on your case study, and I'll see you in class tomorrow, hopefully. Enjoy!